I do a lot of my own automotive work, and I purchased this cooling system pressure tester because my old one broke and I needed another one to help assist me with troubleshooting and diagnosing the vehicles I work on. Upon opening the box and handling each adapter and the pump itself, I'm really impressed with the build quality. Each component feels solid and should withstand the wear and tear from being used quite often. I chose this particular kit because it supports a wide range of vehicles and has various adapters to work across different car manufacturers. Here in my garage right now, I've got a 2001 Ford Taurus I'm working on. I've already diagnosed the vehicle needs a water pump and is leaking coolant from the weep hole. Let's see if we can use our new pressure tester to verify this diagnosis. Now let's go ahead and remove the radiator cap on our Ford Taurus. The radiator on your Taurus is actually right here on this Taurus. This is called the degas bottle, and you'll find on a number of Fords there is no cap on the radiator per se. They just put this cap here on the degas bottle. So that's what we're going to remove. We're going to move this to the side. I looked through all the caps, and the one that fits this one is going to be this number 6 right here. I like the fact that they have the numbers printed on here, and it's also printed on the case, so that's a good attention to detail so you don't get these mixed up. So we're just going to take this number 6 and screw it down here, get it tight on our degas bottle. That feels like it's pretty tight, but they also give you this tool right here, so if you're having some issues tightening it up, you can insert this tool on here to give you a little bit more leverage. So I like that. That's a nice touch. Very nice touch. I like that. Attention to details. I like that. So now we're ready to pressure test this cooling system. So what I'm going to do now is connect this pump. It's got a little pull back mechanism on here. We're going to connect our pump. Now, when you pressure test your cooling system, you're going to make note of what the PSI is on your cap. And here you see this system is operating up to 16 PSI. So that's the max pressure. So when we pump this up, we don't want to exceed 16 PSI. So in our gauge, 16 PSI is right here. So let's go ahead and pump this up. 16 PSI. I'm at 16 PSI right there. You all can see that. 16 PSI. Now, we're at 16 PSI. Now we want to look for leaks. At this point, I can definitely hear a leak. So let's go under the vehicle and let me show you what I'm talking about here. You see that? We are leaking coolant down there. So this tester did its job. It put this cooling system under test, and I knew I had a leak in the water pump, but this pressure tester allowed me to find it a bit easier than the stuff I had to go through before. Awesome. So now in order to release this pressure, I'm just going to go here to this release button right here, and when I press it, see our pressure now is going down. So our pressure now is out the system. I'm going to go ahead and just pull this back to disconnected. Now I'm going to undo this. I'm going to use my tool here, which I like. I really do like this tool. I like the attention to detail. So that's awesome. Alrighty. After bringing you along with me as I use this pressure tester for the first time, I can honestly say I'm tremendously pleased with this performance. The build quality of each component was quite solid. I love the attention to detail the manufacturer put into assembling the kit. such as providing us with a tool making it easy to install and remove each adapter. As you saw, I didn't run into any issues connecting this kit to my vehicle and pressurizing the system. So if you're looking for a quality radiator pressure tester for your vehicle at a very competitive price point, definitely give this product some consideration.